We are very, very disturbed by what we've come to learn of the experience of Boniface Mwangi and Agatha Atuahire, who is still missing. The torture was done in the name of Mama Samia, as they were using all manner of objects. They kept asking them to say, Ahsante, Mama Samia, Ahsante, Mama Samia, as they continuously were torturing them. So this is something that we strongly condemn. And this was done to persons who had committed no illegality. Their main mission was to go and observe a judicial process. They were in Tanzania to follow up on a case in court. So as Wakili has said, we want the whole world to know what is happening in Tanzania. It is a murderous regime, an authoritarian regime. People have been killed, people have disappeared in Tanzania, and if these are foreigners who have people to shout on their behalf, governments to ask questions on their behalf, and they were treated in this manner, you can imagine what is happening to Tanzanians who dare speak against the authority in that country. So we strongly condemn this. As the Wakili has said, we will take this matter up. We want to ensure that lessons are learned, and those individuals who think right now that they have gotten away with this, we assure you, you have not. Justice will be done, and we assure you of that.